In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Zapier, ensuring a seamless integration that can streamline your workflow and automate tasks effectively. Let's dive right in and explore each step carefully to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your HubSpot account. If this isn't your first time, you know the drill. Simply enter your email and password, then hit the login button. It's best practice to ensure you're using the correct login credentials to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, your central hub for all things CRM and marketing automation. Now, the next step is to navigate to the HubSpot app marketplace. Think of this marketplace as a treasure trove of apps and integrations perfectly designed to enhance HubSpot's capabilities. You'll find the App Marketplace icon located on the main menu of your dashboard, typically on the upper right side. Click on it to open up a wide variety of applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. In the search bar, you'll want to type in Zapier. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your HubSpot data with thousands of other apps, allowing for easy automation and seamless interaction between platforms. After typing in Zapier, hit Search, and once you see Zapier in the list, go ahead and select it. This will take you to the Zapier app page within the HubSpot marketplace. Next, look for the Install App button. Clicking this button will begin the installation process, so make sure you're ready to proceed. Installing Zapier opens up a world of automation possibilities, making this a crucial step toward boosting efficiency. Following that, you could be prompted to log into your Zapier account. If you already have a Zapier account, simply enter your credentials. If not, you'll need to create a Zapier account. Don't worry, creating an account is straightforward, and you'll only need a few moments to fill in the necessary information. Remember, having an active Zapier account is essential for this integration. Finally, you will want to click Connect HubSpot, which will redirect you directly to the Zapier platform. This action connects the two accounts, thereby enabling the integration between HubSpot and Zapier. Once redirected, you should be set to start creating zaps that will automate tasks like never before. And there you have it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to Zapier, opening the door to endless possibilities for automation. By doing this, you can manage your workflow more efficiently and save valuable time. Don't forget to explore the various zaps available to maximize this connection. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next tutorial.